Hi, this is Christina with WTI. Have you been looking for a face lotion but have not found the right one for you? Well, here is the Clinique Dramatically Different Face Moisturizing Lotion. And I love this lotion. I feel like it is perfect for every skin type. I have a combination of dry and oily skin, just depending on the day. So it's not easy for me to find a lotion that meets my needs. But this one has been perfect. I have been using it for years now. I always have to stay fully stocked in it. It just gives me that hydrated feel, but it doesn't leave my skin feeling too oily afterwards. But I do feel soft, silky smooth, and that is exactly what I'm looking for in a face lotion. I also love how lightweight it is. It does not feel heavy on the skin, and that's also a really good quality to look for in a lotion. So if you're just looking for a really good lotion, something that will leave you feeling so smooth and soft, something that you don't have to reapply constantly but get instant results, this is most likely the lotion for you, but that's just my point of view.